hindi na rin naman kita makikita. Diba? So, it's just a chance that I have right now. And huwag ka magkumunot dahil this is just a natural thing that people do. They talk to other people. Relax ka lang.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wala. I overthink.
No, you're too smart for your own good sometimes. And you are a smart girl. That's one thing I admire about you. Ano ka ba?
Bakit? Paano mo nasabi?
Well, nung task natin, naalala mo yung CSI.
Oh.
Grabe. Ultimate turn on yun.
Alin?
You were in the zone.
Bakit?
As in, mag-uumaga na, tapos ikaw yung really good qualities about you.
Bakit?
Huwag ka na magtaka. Alam mo naman siguro.
Ano nga, hindi nga
I mean, para sa akin, ikaw yung nag-lead talaga ng ano. Ikaw yung nag-lead ng mga bagay-bagay. You know, kahit na later stage, I was the one writing on the board, but I listened to you. Nakikinig ako ng time na yun. Kasi, sabi ko sa'yo, backgrounder lang, nung New Year, sinabi sa akin ng mga housemates sa kabila na, you know, I should learn to listen more sa ibang tao. And when we came here, I wanted to listen more to other people kasi maybe I'm putting myself in front all the time, which ayoko naman na gano'n. Gusto ko rin na maramdaman ng tao na, you know, I'm not making myself the hero of everything. Ayoko nang gano'n. So, you know, I was listening to people and definitely, ikaw, napansin kita. Every time na merong sa you think you're in the zone na parang hindi ka pwedeng istorbo. And then, nung pupunta tayo sa confession room, when you ask those questions, sa tingin ko, you were spot on sa lahat ng mga things na kailangan mo malaman. So, that's a really good quality para sa akin. Which is very admirable.
Thank you. Hindi ko alam para mag-take ng compliment, pero thank you. Ewan ko. Anyway.
Well, people should start giving you more compliments. I'm pretty sure when you get out of here, my God, they will say, alam mo, ang galing mo sa taas yun. Mga nakapanood sa'yo.
True,
Hindi mo yung makikita kasi it's always somebody else who would tell you. And at least, kung nandito pa ako sa zone na hindi pa tayo magkakilala, I'm just getting to know you, I can say it dahil yun lang yung napapansin ko.
Hindi ko alam how to react. Hindi mo naman
Wala lang. Just, okay, it's okay. Or you don't even have to say things.
Okay.
Okay, ano lang. First impression mo lang sa akin.
First impression.
Sige, isali mo na yung nag-clown ako dito.
Inis ako sa'yo nun.
As in, sobra.
Kasi, parang below the belt ka na in a way.
Nandito ako?
Oo, below the belt ka na and may sinasabi ka to other housemates na nakaka-offend na. May sinabi ka sa akin na nakaka-offend. Yung gusto ko ng maanghang, may ako sa spicy food. Sabi mo, ano ka ba? Bakit mo ginaganyan? Bakit kumakain ka ng sili ganyan? Baka magka-almoranas ka. Hello, I'm eating. Tapos, sabi
na yung sinabi ko.
Hindi, sabi mo, almoranas. Sinabi mo, full word. Yan.
Tapos?
Nakaka-offend. Ayoko talaga sa'yo nun. Honestly, nung after mo umalis, to sinasabi nila, si Paco yung bambas. I hate him. Gumaganon ako sa
Paco,
alam nila yan.
Lumabas?
Si Paco yun, yung dati namin. Anyway.
Tapos?
Yun nga, sinasabi nila na ikaw daw yun. Tapos sabi ko, okay. Ayoko siyang makilala ulit or whatever. Ewan ko. Ayoko sa'yo nun talaga, honestly. Ikaw kasi, okay ka naman tao. Ano ka lang siguro, you're very competitive na umu-overboard ka na. Dun sa, ito yung competitive level na katanggap-tanggap, na healthy, competitive person, yan, ganyan. Ikaw nandun ka na na parang, nilalagay mo na siya masyado sa utak mo, tsaka sa puso mo na, hindi, kailangan ganito. Although, nagkwento ka nga nung laba-laba na, yun nga, naging personality mo yung pagiging competitive kasi nga, gusto mong improve yung sarili mo all the time, ganyan. Pero, you should learn, yun nga, sabi nga dun ng mga housemates mo na nasa industrial kayo na, you need to learn to listen to other people, blah, 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 ganyan. Nakikita ko naman na you're trying, pero yun nga, minsan siguro meron ka pa rin
sablay.
Although,
thank you.
We all have, bad sides. Ako, may bad side din naman ako.
Well, diba, as you said, you're a prank person. And siguro at a certain degree, ako rin, prank. Pero, na-mention din yung dati ni Divine na it's just task, ganyan, it's just, we should find the fun in it. Kahit si Kuya nagsabi, di ba? So, anyway, kung ano man yun, I don't even wanna reason out. Gusto ko lang mag-apologize. Kung ano man yun.
Sorry din.
It's alright. It's cool.
Chipoy!
Hindi, pero gusto ko lang mag-apologize kasi sa tingin ko rin naman, I think I wanna know you naman. So, magkasama rin naman tayo dito sa bahay. So, and sabi naman ni Kuya na ang ugat ng show na ito, even though we are aware that this is a show, ang ugat naman talaga niya is papakatotoo. And I don't fancy, or just so you know, makaisipin mo sick person ako na nagpa-fancy ako ng hate and oh yeah, come on, hate me more, baby. Hindi ako ganun. Honest lang yun na gusto ko mag-apologize sa'yo. And minsan, siguro, parang, actually kinikilig ako minsan